Hello everyone. In today's session, we will learn how to prevent Facebook hacking. Well, your Facebook account can be hacked because of a number of reasons. The login credentials has been shared. Someone has an access to your registered phone number and email ID. You use a compromised network. Or you have a device with pre-installed keylogger. However, you can prevent the Facebook hacking and strengthen your account with different methods. These may include changing your password, changing your registered phone number, and logging out from all the devices. To change the password of your account, you need to visit the setting options and click on the security and login option. You will find a change password option. Type in the new password, retype the new password, and save the changes. If you want to log out from all the devices, you need to visit the settings page again. Click on the security and the login option. There you will see an option where you are logged in. This will show you the devices where you have been logged in currently. If you're not logged in any of the devices, you should log out immediately. To know about other such methods, you can visit the official website of CyberCops. Thank you.